So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is surrounded regions. This is a problem on graphs based on the topic BFS DFS, and we are going to solve it. So what the problem states is that you are given a m cross n matrix board containing x's and zeros. It is a character matrix which is surrounded. Capture all the regions that are four directionally surrounded by X. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to convert all the zeros, or the, you can say zeros, O's, which are completely surrounded by X's. So they can't be. So if there is a region of zeros, so from that region, none of the zero should lie on the borders of the square matrix. Okay, so for example, in this, only this zero, which is in the last row of the matrix, last row and second column, is the zero which lies in the last row, which lies in the border. So this should not be converted, and all the three zeros which are connected should be converted to x's. Now if there was a zero in this place that is adjacent to this border zero, then we would not have done all these three of them also. So we have to take care that in a region of zeros, if the zeros are four dimensionally connected, then all the zeros should be protected, should be covered by the x's. Okay, so the problem is clear. Now how we are going to approach it? So we can do a slight tweak in this problem, and we can approach it. So what we will do is we will track all the zeros which are in the borders, and we will apply a BFS to them. Now we will push them into the queue and apply BFS on them. Now applying BFS on them will make sure that all the zeros connected to these border zeros are covered. We will traverse all of them, and then we will convert them to something else. For example, a character Z. Now we have x's, the zeros which are connected to the borders, all are converted to z's, and then the remaining zeros which we have not touched. So we can, what we can do, we can then convert those zeros into x's, and the zeros and the z's back to the zeros. So in this way we can solve this problem. So let's see the problem. So we are catering all the edges, that is the 0th column, the last column, the 0th row, and the last row. Now if the cell is 0, then we are making it Z and pushing it into the queue. So we are performing a DFS traversal on that. Now while the queue is not empty, we are simply performing the DFS traversal. We will have a del row and a del call, and if these are permitted, del row and del call are permitted, and if the cell at the del row and del call is 0, then we are going to change it to Z, as this is connected to the, yes, as this is connected to the border cell. So we are not going to permit that, and then we will push it into the queue. Now at last we will check if the grid of I comma j is equals to Z, then these are the zeros which are connected to the end, so we will convert them into zeros, and the rest zeros we will convert them back into x. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.